OK， 这样应该可以。晚上12点多。
Lord Winter.
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Wait.
Wait.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by
他
me.
连亲亲都不行哦。不能亲亲直接干，还要50美金。50美金多少？1500，哎，还蛮便宜的。
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
Hey, she thinks I'm a client. Gonna have to play my cards right if I'm gonna squeeze anything out of her. Yeah, she keeps the place pretty ship-shape. I've seen whores that didn't give a damn about their living conditions. Nice-looking girl, but too young to be the sort of girl you find holed up in a dive like this.
I'm 观察一下。付钱呢？我可以不要付吗？我要收回来啊！
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
我是顾客，你还把钱丢下去，可以捡回来吗？
What do you want? A freebie? Is that it?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the origami killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
My Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
I understand, Lord. I know what you're going through.
Oh yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.